be more unfortunate than this. But another question comes to my mind, that when the State Department, which is in charge of diplomatic security, makes a statement saying that we checked the diplomatic security aspect, handed over the whole issue to the marshals, and now ask the marshals why they treated her like that. Is it the behavior of a country which is trying to have a strategic partnership in the United States and a defining relationship with the USA in the 21st century? Another question comes to my mind. When Mr. Raymond Davis killed 2 Pakistanis in broad daylight near the traffic light in Pakistan, and the Pakistani police immediately apprehended him, put him behind the bars, what was the statement of President Obama? President Obama said he enjoyed diplomatic immunity. But he was a CIA contractor. He was not a diplomat. He was not working in the US Embassy. He was a contractor. Then President Obama went on record saying such cases have to be decided on the basis of higher principles of diplomacy. Now the Americans are forgetting those principles of high diplomacy with India.
But you know, it's believed the diplomatic immunity is one term which is also being used, and it has been in fact granted and denied in certain cases, Mr. Agha. And here the US has made it very, very clear that this visa fraud is not covered under the Vienna Convention, which is probably the heart of, which is in fact at the heart of this diplomatic immunity which has been provided to the diplomats.
You see what happens, the diplomats, you know, they are not supposed to go to the court. They have immunity, you know, they are not supposed to be arrested. And they have total immunity, you know. You see, Americans are reinterpreting all these things according to their convenience. Geneva Convention, you know, doesn't talk about these things. Very clear, absolutely clear. Second thing, the problem with the Americans, you know, they believe in unilateralism. And the second thing, exceptionalism. They are exceptional. So they don't follow the norms